Good morning, children. Children, as we are learning the chapter chemical reactions and equation, as a part of this chapter, we are learning about the chemical reactions. And in this, we are learning about I have given many of the formulae of the different compounds, children. Okay, I have given the formulae of 30 elements. Okay, the symbols of the 30 elements I have given. And in the same way, I have given this, after giving the symbols of the 30 elements, I have given the formula of the different compounds, children. The formula of the different compounds. Okay, of the different compounds we are having the different compounds I have given, children. Okay, whereas here, as a part of this, today I will be giving a few more as here, children. There is silver bromide, AgBr. AgBr. That is a silver bromide. Okay, silver bromide, copper. Cu means copper. CuCO3, copper carbonate. CuSO4, copper sulfate. Okay, CuNO3 taken twice, copper nitrate. Okay, children. Okay, here zinc chloride, ZnCl. Okay, here ZnCl, that is zinc chloride. Okay, children. Next, Ki, potassium iodide. Potassium, K means potassium, I means iodine. Potassium iodide. KNO3, CH, AgBr, silver bromide. Cu, copper. CuCO3, copper carbonate. CuSO4, copper sulfate. CuNO3 taken twice, copper nitrate. ZnCl, zinc chloride. Ki, potassium iodide. Okay, children. Okay, these are few of the formulae. Next, okay, KNO3, potassium nitrate. Okay, potassium nitrate. PbI2, lead iodide. Okay, in the same way, PbCl2, lead chloride. CuCl2, copper chloride. Okay, ZnNO3 taken twice, zinc nitrate. ZnNO3 taken twice, zinc nitrate. Okay, and here silver sulfide, Ag2S, silver sulfide. Ag2S. H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Okay, hydrogen sulfide. C6H12O6, glucose. Okay, children. Here's few formulae are given, children. That is a KNO3, potassium nitrate, PbI2, lead iodide, PbCl2, lead chloride, CuCl2, copper chloride, ZnNO3 taken twice, zinc nitrate, Ag2S, silver sulfide, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, C6H12O6, glucose. Okay, children. Okay, C6H12O6, glucose. Next, NH3, ammonia. NH3, ammonia. NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate. Okay, ammonium nitrate. KClO3, potassium chlorate. KLO3, potassium chlorate. Okay. Okay, children. These are the formulae which are given in this chapter, children. Okay. Here you should make a note of all the formulae and you should learn them compulsory. NH3, ammonia. NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate. KClO3, potassium chlorate. Okay. KCl, potassium chloride. KCl means potassium chloride. KClO3, okay, that is potassium chlorate. O3, ozone. So these are the few formulae which are given in this chapter. Okay, here, okay, we will be learning in detail about in this chapter the chemical reactions that will be taking place. Okay, during the reaction and how many types of the chemical reactions are there. We will be having 4 types of the chemical reactions. That is, they are categorized into the 4 types chemical reactions. Normally we have chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement, chemical double displacement or double decomposition reaction. Okay, normally, and here whatever the reaction that we take, okay, whatever the reaction that we take, they undergo any of these. Okay, children, they undergo any of these reactions. That means they may fall under of the 4 reactions. That is chemical combination or chemical decomposition or chemical displacement or chemical double displacement reaction. Okay, therefore here in the next class, from the next class onwards, we will be learning in detail about the different types of reactions, children. But before that, compulsory everyone should make a note of all the formulae we should make a note of all the formulae whatever that is given by me, and you should practice them as many number of times as you can, children. Okay, such that it will be helpful when you learn the chapter, when you learn this. Okay, children, thank you, have a nice day.